Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about four types of content DAX in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Contains row returns a table with true if the row of value exists or contained in a table, else return false. In operator and contains row functions are functionally equal. The syntax is contains row table expression, comma is a scalar expression. Example, filter all from the sales table contains row 1 comma 2 the value of the product ID. If the value contains 1 comma 2 in the sales table, then it will return all the rows. The next is contains. Contains returns true if value of all referred columns exists or are contained in those columns, else return false. Contains, the syntax is contains table, comma column name, comma value. Example is contain the sales table and I'm finding the product key 18 and also the customer ID 36. If two of the key is matching in the table, then it will return true or else it will return false. The next is contain string and contain string exact. This also returns a table if it is true, indicating one of the string contains another string. The syntax is contain string within a text, comma find text. The same with the syntax is only changes the name contain string exact. But the two things to consider here, contain string is not case sensitive and contain string exact is a case sensitive. You can use the question mark and the star wildcard character or use this symbol to escape wildcard character. The example is I want to return a table with all the values containing th. The same thing also here. Now let's go into the practical how it works. So this is the Power BI file. In this I have four tables. One is for contains row, contains, contains string and contains string exact. Now let's go one by one. So contains row. Contains row actually returns a table here. If you look at the syntax here, contains row, I'm using a filter here and taking all the rows from the sales table and searching for the text which rows contains the value is. In the sales table column name region. So if you look at this syntax here, contains row here. So it is asking for the table value. The contains row, this is the value I'm looking for. And with the sales value from which column is the region name column. So once it is applied, if you look at this value here on the table, it returns the value of the east here. And if you want to return the two or more values, you can even add that with a comma separated value here. So comma is equal to north. If you commit here and look at the table value, it returns north as well as the east here. So this is the contains row. And the next is contains. Contains is actually a measure. It does not returns a table, but it just returns a column, a measure column with true or false. If you look at this DAX syntax here, it is asking for the table name, contains, sales table name, and then column name, value, column value. So what I'm taking here is I'm taking the sales table, and then in sales table product ID, I'm looking for 1 as well as the region name north. I'm searching for these two values, product ID 1 and then the region name north. If it matches these two values, then it will return true or else it will return false. If you look at this table output here, product ID 1 and north, it returns true here, whereas here product ID 1 is, it returns false. Okay, this is the column it generates here. Now let's have a look at the next step, contain string. This contain string also returns a table. Out of these four contains tags function, only contains returns in a column as a measure. Rest of the three of them returns a table. If you look at this content string now, okay, it is also similar to this contains row. So here in the content string, I'm taking this sales table region column name and looking for th text value. Then it returns like this, north and south are there. If I put it here as east, then this return east. If you look at this value of the east, it has E is capital here, whereas I have put east E as a small letter. So content string is not a case sensitive. And we can also use the while characters. So I'm using it star here. It starts from E and ends with T. Let's have a look at this. This also returns the same thing. So I'm just starting with any character and end with H. Commit. Then it returns north and south. And if you want to look for the center value, like star a star, super. It returns east and capital because each and every name has a letter in between them. So this is how you can able to use the while characters as well. Now let's look at the last function, contain string exact. So this also returns the table. As you look at this, I'm using this filter option again to the all sales table with contain string exact for the same region column name with the word keyword as capital. Then it returns the capital here. If I use a small c here, then it is not returning any value because it is a case sensitive. Now let's try this one using the while character. This is also not returning a value because it is case sensitive and it is looking for the exact value in the text. So it is not accepting the while characters, it just need an exact value with the case sensitive as well. So now it returns a value here. So these are the 4 types of DAX contains in Power BI. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Share it to the friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.